Deloitte just cut 1,200 consultants. Not factory workers, not truck drivers, consultants, the people who tell other people what to do for a living. McKinsey quietly froze junior hiring. EY is restructuring. KPMG let go of its entire advisory bench in 3 countries. And that's just consulting. Goldman Sachs used to hire 300 analysts every summer. This year, 30. Claude does the rest. JP Morgan deployed an AI that reviews 12,000 commercial loan agreements per year. That was the work of 360,000 billable hours. Gone. In a software update. Legal? Same story. Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with 1 chatbot. Then they came for the lawyers. AI contract review is now faster, cheaper, and doesn't bill you for the sexer. But here's what no one is saying out loud. These aren't jobs that were supposed to be automatable. These are the jobs parents told their kids to get. Go to college, get a degree, wear a tie. You'll be safe. The whole promise of white-collar work was, if you think for a living, machines can't touch you. That promise just expired. And the speed is what kills you. The last industrial revolution took decades. Factories didn't replace blacksmiths overnight. There was time to retrain, time to adapt, time to pretend it wasn't happening. This one? Klarna, 4 months. Deloitte, 1 quarter. Goldman's analyst floor, 1 recruiting cycle. Not years. So what do? Learn to use the tools? Sure. Become the person who manages the AI instead of competing with it. But that's the wrong question. Because for every 10 people learning prompt engineering, companies need 1, maybe 2. The math doesn't work. It was never supposed to. The optimists say new jobs will appear. They always do. The pessimists say this time is different. AI doesn't just do the job, it does it better. Maybe both. Maybe that's the point. 40 million white-collar workers in America alone. And the wave hasn't even hit yet. This isn't a forecast. It's a Monday morning. Share this if it made you think. Subscribe if you want to keep watching. I'll be here watching the Singularity until there's nothing left to watch.